Oh, hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. As you saw, I'm unboxing a new package from my friends over at Vevor. I've done lots of reviews on Vevor products because there are tens of thousands of items on their website, vevor.com. Today I'm installing a bookshelf on wheels. I don't really read books, but I could use it to store my tools and roll it around my garage. While I'm fixing things, it's convenient for me to roll around. But if you're a bookworm and you like to read, you could use this as a bookshelf on wheels. Let me continue to unbox it and assemble it, and we'll show you what the final product looks like. Ooh-wee! That took a long time. In time lapse, it was probably 30 seconds for you, but it took me about 40 minutes. The instructions weren't very good. It's just a piece of paper with two sides of pictures. It doesn't really tell you anything, you know what I'm saying? But it's pretty straightforward. They give you enough screws. I have one left. I know they just give it to you because in case you lose one, you know, or two, and an Allen key, and that's all they give you in terms of tools. I wished I would have connected a hex bit to my driver so I can just go zoo, zoo, zoo. Turning it a quarter turn at a time with this took a long time. But you know what? It makes your brain think, you know, it's therapeutic, monotonous and therapeutic. But really good quality from Vevor. There were some parts that the corners were a little bent from the shipping. You know, it's a very heavy box, so I understand. And it went straight on, very straightforward. You don't really need instructions. If you have a brain, you can figure out how to put it together. So it's 3 shelves on one side, 3 shelves on the other side, 6 total shelves. It comes with these really good condition and quality is what I mean. 4 by 1 1/4 inch caster wheels that have a brake on it. See, you can step on it so that it won't go anywhere and then release. So these caster wheels, they are ball bearing, right? Super smooth, and look, it's still going, right? And it rotates 360 degrees, really nice. And also they actually had plastic over it. I had to unpeel and unwrap the wheels first. So this is the last final part of it. I'm going to flip it upside down. Let me just show you what it looks like on how to put it together. So I'm just going to give you a walk around here. And this is how you put them on. 2 screws on each side for each shelf. And then on the top backing, it secures to the other side of the other shelf on the other side. From Vevor. So the final part of this now is I'm going to flip it upside down and put the wheels on. This shelf is bigger than I thought. And it's great because I'm going to have plenty of space to put all my tools and have it roll on wheels. So it's easy for me to go and grab them. Usually when I'm working on stuff in the garage, right, I've got this chair with a tool organizer on the bottom that rotates. Guess where this is from? That's right, that's from Vevor too. It makes some very, very smart things, very smart products. So, but I just have so many tools, you know what I mean, that I usually end up having to stop what I'm doing, go into the garage and find it, where I could just have this, roll it out, and I'll have everything I'll need. That's exactly what I need. So let's see how these things go on here. I think you just twist them on and tighten them. super easy to put the wheels on. Ooh. You have to turn this thing. There's a bolt here too, so that you can use a wrench to tighten it. There you go. So I'm going to do this on all four. So unless you have paper thin wrenches, there ain't no way you're gonna be able to tighten this. It doesn't give you any room to stick a wrench in there to get that, right? So I just got a big pair of channel locks at the large setting and tighten it that way. Okay, here it is, the moment of truth. Let's hope I don't hurt myself doing this. Or scratch it. Oh! Substantial weight, guys. This is like a huge toolbox. Remember, this is a bookshelf. I just think it's perfect for me as a... Look at the size of this bookshelf. It's tremendous. The brake is on. Look at that. Fantastic. Oh my God, I can't wait to put my tools on here. This is fantastic. I could actually put tool boxes on the very bottom so it gives it weight and stability. And then put my other power tools on here. Like you see this here? I've just got so much stuff on here, mostly my power tools, that I can't even reach, can't even get to anything. So if I just have, oh, look at that. Now we're cooking with Crisco. So there you go. Look what I did. On this side, I mean, I ran out of tools to put there. I've got my hand, some of my most least used tools actually. And this is a place where I can put my thermometer, carburetor adjustment tools, multimeters. I have an old toolbox that I can put my smaller tools in. And then on this side, I've got my handheld impacts, my drills, my side ratchets. Over here I've got grinders, a heat gun, and here's some tools that I always have to go and get. My chisel, sledgehammer, regular hammer, crowbar, clamps, some more chisels. I mean, I could still load this up with everything that I need over here, you know what I mean? And of course, like I said, this is intended for books. And it comes with some bookends to do some separating, you know what I mean? So like I said, I don't have any books, I don't read. I'm 54 years old. I don't want to read. Fantastic bookshelf, rolling bookshelf from Vevor. I'm actually going to install something else. I'm going to actually install a hanging system where I can put my tools, power tools. So how about it, huh? It's a bookshelf on wheels, but you could use it for all this stuff too. And for a guy like me, who has a YouTube channel that just fixes small engine equipment, I need a good shelf to put all my tools, and it's on wheels, and just drag it out and use it. No more going back and forth, wasting work units, trying to get the right tool that you want when everything is on one shelf. I'll leave a link in the description. Go check out Vevor's website. They got thousands and thousands of products that you know you're gonna need. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me on this weekend product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers